Hey, welcome to the Boss Slots.
Come on. Come on.
Trying to bust that pop, trying to make a quick profit. Come on, get the drum while we in. Come on, do it. Come on, pop that pot. Ultimate explosion, dancing drums. Looking for 3 drums for that bonus. You got $3 for that. Big old line. That's nice. $5. How you doing that? Come on, Pop. Come on, bums. Nice. Alright. Those on super. Hey, while you at, make sure you smash that like button and follow button or that subscribe button. You know what platform you watching this on. I'm on all of the Boss Slots. Let's shoot on that Facebook group, Boss Slots. Post your videos, the links. It's all good. Come on, dance, bro. If you ever played this game, how was your experience? Leave it down in the comments. I would love to know. Come on, Pot. Come on, Pot. 3 drums. Where you at? Move the telephone, bro. Let's go. Got the bonus? Oh, man. Sounded like it. Come on, dance along. Do it for the Boss Slots. That's a wrap on Ultimate Explosion. Good hobby. I thought you had brought it when you did that. You don't got that. Oh, you do got the bomb. Let's get this money. Smash that like button.
I like little dogs.
Fine though.
Perfection.
Lovely! Beautiful! Oh my!
Brilliant. Exponential.
Oh,
Design.
Oh my goodness. Come on, doggy.
Lucky me.
Plane jumper.
We get 20.
I see rings in your future.
Fascinating.
Made it for the team.
Wow. Delectable. Brilliant. Splendid.
Give me another sign jump.
Bob.
Come on. Give me some more sign jump. Oh, I want that over there.
Splendid.
Breathtaking.
Sign jumping.
Brilliant.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Nice. 72.25 on a 1 cent bet. I mean 250 bet on a 1 cent bet. No. Yes, sir.
Come on.
What is it? This is Visa. Come on, land now. Come on, smash that like button. That bonus to land. Yes, sir. Boss. Got the birds for the $9. Come on, Geese. Give us the bounce. Come on, do it for the boss slide. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Follow me. Follow me on all social media. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Join the Facebook group, dabossslots. You show your wings and your videos. Greatly appreciate. Session on isso. Come on, pop. I see it going by too. Look at this. It's going by when it first started there. Crap. Come on, guys.
What's up with you? Okay, I'm finna get out.
Come on. Come on, Pat. Oh no. Give us a bounce. Not even enough for another spin. Hey, you got the bonus on. Food lion. Let's get this money. Got the wheel. So you smash that like button. 16 wild added. Man, line up. Yes, sir. Probably something nice. Something nice. Something nice. Oh, wow. Let's see what that do then. One more speed. Come on. Come on, bro. Big win on the last one. I was a big man. Got the kid, right? 70 on a dollar bill. One set big man. That's how we doing it on this game. Try to get the back to back. What is that fries, man? Come on, do it. 225. Come on, do it. Come out. Lay. It's not 5, 4-9. Come on, do it. Come on, do it. Turn the back. No change. Come on, do it. Play it like that, man. Come on, purple. Got the big wheel. No gone. Come on, purple. Come on, green. Not bad. Last man. Alright, that's a wrap. Oh, food eye. I guess turtle. I'm a holler.
Warning! Warning! It's the boss! It's the boss! Warning!